Good morning, folks. Elsa here on a Thursday morning on the Isle of Lewis, and we are having a bit of high pressure and so clear skies. In fact, let me just show you. That is the dawn thinking about coming around to some sunshine. This is away up on the moor towards Benbragger, which I'm not allowed to call Benbragger now. I'm in Shobos, but I forget what it's called. And behind me, there is the sea. And looking down over Shobos to the sea. What a place to live, a bit of heaven. Anyway, how are you all this morning? I walked through the dark into the dawn to get up onto the moor because I wasn't going to get soaked, and neither was my fiddle, which is always good. And not much news. Thinking that you might have not got on too well with your spoons with that tune. That was called Farewell Bonnie Scotland, and it was also one of the tunes that I wrote during lockdown for a lady in America, and it's basically to do with the Highland clearances and emigration from the Highlands and the islands. And I tried to make the fiddle sound a bit like the pipes. That was the aim of it. Anyway, I suppose that might be it for me. I can carry on my walk and wish you all a wonderful day, and make it a good one. Make it the best one yet. Who knows how many we have? We never know. From one day to the next, things can just change. So, much love. See you tomorrow. Bye. Chemische Vula Marach.